What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We are here early in the morning. I don't know if you can see me. My camera, I can't really see me. All right, I can see the sunrise. 6:30, we're getting back to our normal time, you know. Hopefully find something really good since we're here pretty early. That's the plan. All right, let's see what we can get. I don't, a Digimon pack. You guys might know what a Digimon pack is, like what you can get. You guys can tell me if I got a good pull. I have no idea what I'm pulling from this, but we walk around the flea market. We have a nice guy we always talk to, and he's giving me a good deal. I don't want to mess up the pack. Digimon pack. I remember I kind of watched this as a kid. Did you ever watch it? And I always thought it was a knockoff Pokemon, so I never liked it. All right, a Digimon pack.
I don't know what kind of.
Yeah, I don't know what's good.
Like if you gotta put 3 or 2.
Me too. I've just been like doing it like this. You guys can see everything, different numbers. Let's see. This is a shiny back here. This looks like it's a reverse hollow. I don't know though. You guys tell me. I have absolutely zero idea. This could be the best card. I'm just holding it like a dummy. You guys let me know. Good morning.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm alright. How about yourself?
I'm alright. I'm not fully set up, but you can take a look.
Alright. Do you know if you have any Dragon Ball ones?
No, I sold out on all Dragon Ball.
Alright, well, you have a good day.
Alright, you too, man.
Alright, it's pretty early. I mean, I feel like, you know, it's kind of hard to find stuff like this early in the morning. Sometimes people aren't fully set up, like he said, you know. You need to give people some time to set up.
Sorry? You need the display? Well, you can go ahead and
How much are the comic books?
you can have a 2 for 5 or 3 for each.
Alright. How much on the games?
Oh, that's 115. That's not hard to find.
Yeah. How much on this Lego set?
I don't know the precise number.
Oh.
35.
Alright. Oops, my bad, y'all. I guess I wasn't recording. Paid $7 for the both of these together. We'll take it, you know. Gosh, I guess my camera is just messed up today. I hit the record button and that time I did not record, but I got 2 puzzle sets. I paid $10, $5 each. And I looked up one of them and it sold for 20 bucks. So I just bought the other one that looks exactly the same. Might as well. A little 4 times profit, we'll take it. All right, let's show you guys a little bit of what we're selling. As you guys know, we got a bunch of Christmas lights, as I've been showing you a little bit recently. We got a bunch of Christmas lights, so we're just testing the waters a bit at the flea market. See if people are interested. You know, we're giving a really good deal. We're getting a way cheaper price than you would in the store. We got our first couple sales of this. Have you sold anything?
How many total have you sell? 3?
I didn't finish. The guy was not, he said he would pay 20 bucks for 4 of those, so I just did it. What was your price on those? I know it
We
was
sold
pretty cheap.
5 out of 12,000 items, not bad. I was gonna ask 7 of those for those, but that's the thing. So if you ask 7 a piece, that's
Oh, you
3
said
for 20,
okay,
right?
so that wasn't even a bad
like
deal.
Here, what makes these cool? What makes these particular lights cool than some of the other ones? Let me explain.
You can use them all year.
No, when I found out from Spencer, this attachment right here,
They're asking if this is battery op. People are asking if this is solar powered or battery operated.
it's both.
That's what I said. I was like,
This
pretty
is
sure it's both.
actually, you can actually plug that into solar, and then this goes into electricity of any form.
How you doing today?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right, thank you.
You got any Dragon Ball Funko Pops?
Right now, literally all I have for Dragon Ball is the
Damn.
Batman Vegeta.
All right, all good. I already got a Vegeta. I need like Krillin. I need a bunch of little people still. I'm just gonna chill with 1 pack for today. You said $4 for the pack?
Yeah.
So what do you do for your video content?
Thank you. I just walk around the flea market. I'll get picking videos. My dad buys and sells storage units.
Okay.
So I'll go along with him a lot and just record
that's
it.
cool.
I'm trying to get in my own business, of course, like buy my own storage
Right.
units.
Understandable, yeah.
He handed me down his truck, so I'm trying to get like into the business a bit more, but it's hard. Another Pokemon pack, nice people. Seems like we have a lot of nice Pokemon people here. They're it's nice and genuine. Let's see I was really close to just buying like the booster box. I was super tempted, but let's just get 1 pack, all right? I keep pushing myself to get more and more Pokemon, but you usually don't even really make your money back. I usually just do it for the entertainment. Come on, let's get a good pack again. I haven't had a good pack recently. I got that one good pack. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the trick. I mean, I don't think this is bad, right? We got a holo, nothing crazy. I don't think this is like a good crazy pool like before. We'll take this though, it's not bad. How's it going? Let's try Chilling Reigns pack again.
Chilling? Test your luck again? That Snorlax, man?
Let's see. It's just for like.
Returning customer? Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Make it $4.
I appreciate it.
I think we ended up following you.
Oh, you did?
100%.
Thank you.
'Cause, an ex-coworker of mine actually sent me the video. She was
Thank
like,
you.
"Oh hey, I just saw you guys on my For You page." Like, I was like,
That's
"Oh, really?"
funny.
They wrote, you got that black coat, so you got something.
Got something. Let's see. Let's see.
Watch, it's gonna be. Yo, look.
All right. All right. Let's see.
Look at the draw, man.
Dang, is this good?
What is it?
Oh, is this?
That's.
Bro, what is... Bro.
You know how much that is?
How much
Bro,
is it?
that is incredible.
Is it better than the last
Yes.
one?
Cool, yeah.
Is it really?
I think it's like 150.
Your luck is insane, bro. You should have...
Bro.
Do you collect?
Not collect, but I like
You
Pokemon.
should start collecting.
Yeah, you should
bro.
start collecting.
The amount of luck that you have is
Can I have a sleeve? You guys have any sleeves
Yeah,
like
yeah,
last
sure,
time?
Get them a top loaded.
I don't even really buy Pokemon cards as a prop. I just like it for my YouTube videos and my videos.
Yeah, bro. It's like that one. I think it was like what 1 out of 600.
Oh, you guys have a business card.
Yeah.
Nice. That's good. I need to make one of these.
I was like, right now we're still obviously trying to get that storefront.
Yeah. You guys
we
do
always
like
gotta
social
start-
media and stuff? You guys make anything like that?
We used to, but it was like here and there. Right
You
now
should
we're
make like a
just kinda-
TikTok. You should make a TikTok. Might as well. I mean, videos just blow up randomly. It might help you guys. You never know.
No, yeah, we got a TikTok. We just don't post all that often. It's just like
Yeah.
right now we're just trying to get the money up to get like the distributor, get all that.
Yeah.
Just
I'll be walking around. I'll see you. All right. Well, I guess I got a crazy pull. Obviously, I have no idea what I'm really looking for in Pokemon. I just like opening packs. I just have fun opening them. I think it's fun. All right, guys, we're done here. We're done. We didn't really do the greatest. We just sold a couple items, testing what we can sell here. Looks like Concord does not like Christmas lights.
Yeah,
Figured it out. Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
The universe told me not to come today. There was a lot of reasons I'm not going to discuss. The universe told me not to come today. But you also have to test the waters, right? I told you I wanted to just see reactions, right? I wanted somebody to look at something and be like, when I hear the price, like So Jess went to the store yesterday. This is 10 bucks in the store right now. Like just the basic lights at Home Depot for 100. So asking 5 for this right now is not bad. Halloween's coming. Who don't want 50% off right now? It's kind of a little bit obtruse. I just wanted to get a little ideas, but I'm telling you this, I am getting interest in these at 20 on Craigslist. Boxes of those lights at 15. The bottom line is we're just testing the market. We just, you know, like we're not even showing what those are. Those are LED gnomes. There's like 8 ornaments. Like almost, these are gonna fly off the shelf with like $5 a piece in another.
Let's get our recap. Let's get our recap in. First week, of course, best pick of the day so far. This Pokemon card, was not expecting this. $120, almost $100 to $120 is his average. Paid $5 for this card. Love to see it, love to see it. Got these 2 comic books. I don't think I'll really sell them for anything. I think this one might have actually sell for $5 online, but I was having a hard time finding it. I really just bought it just to test out and just look up different comics. It was just old.
So you bought it to learn because you...
I don't know much about comics, so I don't know, just trying to test myself and just learn more about them and see if I can make money on it.
In my opinion, like this, I only buy comics when I can get like the whole box for like 50 bucks or something. Like that's, I have a hard time gambling when it's individual. That's what I like, look for the boxes, but that's a bad gamble too.
All right, and I just got these, paid $5 each. They have like 20, 25 each.
Who are those people?
We got Elvis, Marilyn Monroe. These 2, I couldn't tell you, Dad. Who are these 2 people?
Let me look. That is James Dean and is that Humphrey Bogart? It might be Humphrey Bogart.
It might be. Come on, comments. It's just 2 iconic places, I guess.
This is an iconic painting or something like that.
And these 2 Guitar Hero guitars, I always know these sell for well. For some reason, the flea market, they sell for cheap, but online, they're like 25 or 30 bucks.
Do you clean these up?
We'll
like,
take
do you
it.
Wipe it all up?
I should, shouldn't I? I mean, the last guitars I have weren't really this dirty, so this one I might actually have to.
Like a little Clorox. Don't forget, you also get to work on your loading badge now.
A loading badge, like I didn't load that whole trailer the other day.
You don't just get badges overnight. Like, you know,
All right, well, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Always, if you're watching the outro, that means you watched this whole video, and I love you for that. We're out. See you next time.